Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken mayonnaise using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: cooked chicken, mayonnaise, and your favorite seasonings. Next, prepare the chicken by shredding or dicing it into small, manageable pieces. Finally, combine everything in a bowl and mix well. It's a simple process that yields fantastic results every time. For the best chicken mayonnaise, start with about 2 cups of cooked chicken. You can shred it easily with 2 forks for a classic texture, or dice it into half-inch cubes if you prefer. It's important that your chicken is completely cooled before you mix it. Also, remember to remove any skin or bones to ensure a smooth, enjoyable consistency. Now for the mixing. Add about 1/2 cup of your favorite mayonnaise to the prepared chicken. Season with 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, or adjust to your taste. Mix everything gently until all ingredients are thoroughly combined. For extra flavor and crunch, consider adding optional ingredients like finely diced celery or fresh herbs. Your easy chicken mayonnaise is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect served on your favorite bread for a classic sandwich, or as a delicious topping for a fresh salad. You can also enjoy it in crisp lettuce wraps for a lighter option. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.